All right, day 3 of trading the Trade the Pool 50K funded stocks account today. And today I've got 2 trades for you. I've got a trade that I don't normally take, and then we've got a big pump and an even bigger dump. All right, let me see if I can get in a short here on APLD. It's been struggling to go higher. Might have just missed it there at 24. Let's see if I can get in here on APLD short 23.85. Okay, got that there. Looks like it's getting ready to fade off here. All right, I'm gonna put an order out for all of them here. 23.53. What happened to my level 2 here? See if we can come down 23.53. For all 300. A little bit different of a trade than I normally do, but all right, I'll move it up to 23.68. See if I can get it up there at 23.68. Thought it was going to break down a little bit better there for me, and it didn't, so let's see what it does. All right, can I get the fill here? All right, and got the fill there. So just a small win here on APLD. Thought it was looking like it was going to roll over there. That's not my normal type of trade, so I guess I'll be happy to take a win there. All right, SGBX, been watching you. Can you make a bigger pop here up towards 550? All right, here we go. Can it go? Looking for a bit higher, closer to 550. All right, SGBX, I'm now looking for a move through 550 here. Been watching it. At this point, I would need a move up through 550. Get back through 540 and push higher. Previous high 542. Can it push here? All right, here's the previous high. Only through by a penny or so. Can it go? All right, here's 560. Come on, push. All right, I'll put an order out 568. Can it get there? Got to 567. Leave it there for a second. Trying again. Canceling, gonna move higher through 570s. All right, got started here in at 576 a starter SGBX 500 shares. Maybe be happy with 20 cents if it can get back down again for the partial. All right, here we go. Boom! Look at that. Beautiful. Keep coming. Keep coming down here now. That was a beautiful drop. Can it do a little bit more with the last 200? Come on, keep coming. Under 530 again. All right, put it out 525. Almost got it. And got it. Look at that. Look at that, SGBX. That's the move we were looking for and waiting for all morning long right there. Making, what did I make on the first trade? 50. So a little over 200 there on this SGBX short. I will definitely take that and probably call it for the day. Hey, so there you go. Over 200 today in the 50K funded account. Now a trade the pool, and that SGBX trade was picture perfect. If you look at the volume there at the end, it was really ramping up into an overextension, a volume exhaustion, if you will, and then it gave that huge big dump back down from there. So couldn't be happier with that. And the cool thing about this was, like, I couldn't trade this in my regular broker. There were no shares available, but because you don't have to worry about that with Trade the Pool, I could trade it. So was able to trade something and get this big move that I might not have normally gotten, and now we are on our way here in the funded account. So make sure you guys check out the link down in the description below if you want to try out trade the pool funded stocks. And if you're looking for the scanner that gives me all these plays, Intensity Stock Watch, that's the only place you need to go. 20 to 30% off every single month, and you can get a free trial if you shoot me a message. I'll see you next time.